We are pleased to show you the 2021 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, braking assist, power brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.